Today, I wanted to introduce you to a concept called be blissfully dissatisfied. Now, I didn't come up with this. I actually interviewed an entrepreneur a few months ago, and he said to me, Ben, what is most important is to be blissfully dissatisfied. And I wanted to share it with you because I really think it hit home for me with how important it is to be blissful, but also to be dissatisfied at the same time. So we'll start with being blissful. What does that really mean? Being blissful is being able to be grateful for where you are right now. It's experiencing the joy of life. It's being present. It's living in that bliss. What does this mean for you guys right now? Well, it's thinking, how can you be really grateful for where you are? How can you implement this? This is looking into things that you're grateful for every morning. So, for example, you think of 3 things every morning that you're grateful for. Puts you in a great abundant state. You also focus on being present, not constantly being distracted by your phone or other things or watching this video whilst also doing something else, but instead actually fully being present and embracing what you're doing. Now, there's one other step that I think is really important with being blissful, and that is acknowledging the successes that you're having, really being blissful on the journey. And what I mean by that is that a lot of people, and I was chatting with a client the other day, he gets really hard on himself, saying, Ben, I'm not progressing as fast as I want. I'm like, that's fine, but if you're constantly hard on yourself and you're stopping yourself really moving forward, it can be very, very challenging. So instead, I want you to think of being blissful, right? Acknowledge those successes, even the small wins, because what that can do is help you see more of those wins and you can level up and see that progress, which helps keep you motivated towards where you're going. So next, we've got be dissatisfied. Now, what do I mean by this? Well, I think there's a lot of people that can get stuck in their comfort zones. It's very easy in our lives or in our business for when things are going pretty well to just put our foot off the accelerator, to stop really leveling up and moving forward. We get to a place where we're doing pretty well, right? You may have a stable income coming in, you're feeling happy, you've got your family, and you're thinking, you know what, maybe I don't need to push myself as hard. What dissatisfied means is not accepting where you are and progressing for more. But the key thing here is you're blissful to begin with, but you're not settling for being in your comfort zone. You're choosing to go out of it. You're being dissatisfied. You're saying, you know what, enough is enough. I want more. I'm going to be able to create more, but you're being blissful on that journey. That is an amazing concept. And I want to pose to you how you can be blissfully dissatisfied from now on. So use this concept, embody it, and watch how your life unfolds and how it'll change your state no matter what circumstances you're in. Look forward to chatting soon, and I'll see you in the next video.